Best e-commerce website development with WordPress and Elementor. Build a powerful online store by Easy Website Solutions. Great site. In today's digital marketplace, having a high-performing e-commerce website is crucial for business growth. Easy Website Solutions. Great site specializes in building powerful online stores, helping entrepreneurs and brands succeed with professional, results-driven e-commerce website development. Our expert team uses WordPress for its flexibility and Elementor for its design capabilities. Combined with WooCommerce, this approach delivers fully customized online stores. Whether you are launching a new shop or upgrading an existing one, we ensure your website is responsive, user-friendly, and optimized for sales. We design visually stunning product pages, modern layouts, and intuitive navigation using Elementor's drag-and-drop builder. Features like smart product filters, one-click checkout, cart abandonment recovery, and inventory management are integrated to help your store scale and stand out. Security and performance are top priorities. Every site includes SSL encryption, secure payment gateways like PayPal and Stripe, and speed optimization. We also provide on-page SEO, schema markup, and ongoing technical support to keep your store running smoothly. From transparent pricing to timely delivery, Easy Website Solutions works closely with you to match your brand vision and business goals. Build your online store today and turn your ideas into digital success.